Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to deposit a check on your Wisely card. First, open the My Wisely app on your mobile device. Next, find the InGo Money feature which lets you load funds from a check. When prompted, take a clear photo of the front and back of your check. Follow any additional instructions provided by the app to complete the deposit process. If required, you may need to upgrade your card or verify your identity to finalize the deposit. After submitting, wait for approval as processing times can vary depending on the check and verification process. And that's it. That's how to deposit a check using your Wisely card. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.